Imagine a gaming laptop so powerful, it makes even a desktop PC question its existence. That's not hype. It's the new Lenovo Legion Pro 7, unveiled at IFA 2025. On paper, it looks like the ultimate weapon for gamers and creators alike. But here's the real kicker. In our early tests, it's outperforming Intel's most expensive chips and nearly matching Nvidia's top-tier laptop GPU at a fraction of the cost. Stick around, because this is where the Legion Pro 7 changes the game. Let's start with the brains of the machine. At the top of the lineup, you'll find AMD's Ryzen 9 9955HX 3D. With 3D V-Cache technology, this CPU isn't just fast, it's the best mobile gaming processor we've seen yet, beating Intel's Core Ultra 9 275HX by an average of 5% in gaming benchmarks. Pair that with Nvidia's brand new RTX 5080 laptop GPU, and you're looking at desktop-level graphics on the go. In fact, Lenovo says this GPU can pull up to 175 watts of performance, and in our benchmarks, it landed dangerously close to the RTX 5090 laptop GPU. Translation, you're getting 95% of the performance for much less money. Memory and storage, no compromises. Up to 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM running at 5600 MT per S, plus up to 2 terabytes of PCIe Gen 5 SSD storage. Lenovo even pointed out the Samsung 990 Pro as the reference drive here, which says everything you need to know about speed. Now, a powerhouse like this deserves a proper display, and Lenovo delivered. A 16-inch OLED panel with 2560 by 1600 resolution, 240 Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision, G-Sync, and full DCI-P3 color coverage. Whether you're gaming, editing, or just streaming, this screen is pure eye candy. And then there's connectivity. Dual USB-C with DisplayPort 2.1, HDMI 2.1, multiple USB-A ports, Ethernet, audio jack, you name it, it's here. Plus, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, a quad speaker setup, and Lenovo's handy eShutter for privacy. So, what's the bottom line? The Lenovo Legion Pro 7 16 AFR10HH is shaping up to be one of the most balanced, performance-driven gaming laptops of 2025. You're getting industry-leading CPU and GPU performance, an incredible OLED display, and future-proof connectivity, all starting at $2,399 this November. If you've been waiting for a laptop that actually challenges high-end desktops, this might just be it. And if you want more deep dives into cutting-edge laptops like this one, don't forget to subscribe.